Hello students, now we are learning about nth term of an AP. If A is the first term and common difference is D, then the terms of AP are, now we are writing the terms in the form of A and D. We have used the notation for denoting the terms as T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on up to Tn. Now same terms we are writing with the help of A and D. The notation for T1 is T1 is equal to A. Now for first term we are using another notation and that is A, and D is the common difference. If we add the common difference in the previous term, we can form the next term. T2 is equal to T1 plus D. That means add the common difference in the previous term, we get the second term. Now in place of T1, now I am substituting A plus D. I am converting this A plus D, A as it is, plus, this is 1D actually. For 1D, I am writing 2 minus 1 into D. 2 minus 1 means 1 again. Without changing the value, I have done this conversion. Now T3. How to write the third term? This is the third term, T3. Previous term is T2. If we add common difference D in the previous term, we can form the next term. To form T3, I have added D in T2. T2 means A plus D. I have written here as it is, and the common difference now is equal to A plus 2D. I am converting this 2D in this way, A as it is, plus 3 minus 1 in bracket into D. That means 2D I have converted in this form. Now T3 is A is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Now fourth term of the arithmetic progression. If we add the common difference in the previous term, then we get the next. That means to form T4, I have to add the common difference in the third term. Now T4 is equal to T3 plus D. T3 means A plus 2D, this, and the common difference is equal to A plus 3D. I am converting this 3D into 4 minus 1 into D. That means T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 in the bracket into D. Now fifth term. T5 is equal to T4 plus D. T4 means A plus 3D. This A plus 3D I have written here, and I have added the common difference. A plus 3D plus D is equal to A plus 4D. This 4D I have written in the another form, 5 minus 1 into D. 4 means 5 minus 1. If we write all these terms in this way, we can write the general form, that means Tn. That means Tn means any number term or nth term. Tn is equal to Tn minus, the previous term of Tn is Tn minus 1, and we add the common difference, is equal to A plus n minus 1 in bracket into D. and from this we get the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 in the bracket into d. This is very important formula for solving the examples. I am repeating again which are the notations in this formula. This is the formula to find any term of AP. Any number term we can find out by this formula. T is used for term and the number which is written at the bottom, that is the term number. N is the number of that term. A is the first term and D is the common difference.